असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Now first bit, second problem. So given PQR triangle, so angle P is equals to 45 degrees given, and angle Q 3x plus 16 degrees, angle R 68 degrees given. So in that we have to find the x value. So we have one property, so angle sum property of a triangle. So what is the angle sum property of a triangle? So sum of three interior angles is 180 degrees. Okay, this is the property. So sum of three interior angles in a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, so by this property, so angle P means angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, this is angle R, right? Now what is angle P? 45 degrees plus angle Q 3x plus 16 degrees plus 68 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, right? Now 3x plus 45 plus 16, sorry, 45 plus 16 and 68, sum of these three, so it is 14, 19, carry 1, 10, 12, so it is 129 is equals to 180 degrees. So 3x is equals to 180 degrees minus 129 degrees. So this 129 transposing to RHS side, it becomes negative. Okay, now 3x is equals to 180 degrees minus 129. Okay, so borrow from here, 10 minus 9 it is 1, and 7 minus 2 it is 5. Okay, 51, right? So I am erasing this, right? So now x is equals to, transpose this 3 to RHS side, it becomes denominator to 51. Okay, right? This 3 ones are and 2 is remaining, 21, 2 sevens, sorry, 3 sevens are. So it becomes x is equals to 17 degrees. Okay, so we have, this is our x equals 17 degrees, which is required answer. Now problem number 3. So given ABC triangle, in that angle A 25 degrees, angle C 30 degrees and angle B x degrees, we have to find x value here, right? So here I am going to use again angle sum property of a triangle. So in triangle ABC, so what is the angle sum property? Sum of three interior angles is equals to 180 degree, which is used in the previous problem. Okay, so that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, so what is the angle A? 25 degrees plus angle B x degrees plus angle C 30 degrees is equals to 180. So x as it is plus 20 plus 30, 25 plus 30, it is 55 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. Now x degrees is equals to 180 minus 55 degrees. Okay, now what is the required answer? Now x is equals to, so 55, it means 125, so x equals to 125 degrees is the required answer. Okay, right? This is of angle B is the 125 degrees here. Okay, right? Now fourth problem. So given triangle XYZ, in that the side XY is equals to XZ. So what is given? In triangle XYZ, xy is equals to xz. Okay, these two are the equal sides now. So now, and given 2x plus 7 degrees of angle A and angle Z given 45 degrees. Okay, so we have to find here x value. The angles which are opposite to equal sides are equal. Okay, so by this property here, angle y is equals to angle z. Okay, right. So what is the angle y given here? That is 2x plus 7 degrees. It is equals to angle z, so 45 degrees. Okay, now 2x is equals to 45 degrees minus 7 degrees. So 2x is equals to, it is 38 degrees. Now x is equals to 38 by 2. This 2 goes to denominator to the 38 because I am transposing this. Okay, right. 2 ones are 2 ones, 1 carry, so 19. So x is equals to 19 degrees. Okay, this is our now problem number 5 in the first bit. So this is the given figure. So in this figure we are having a BOA one triangle as well as COD is another triangle. Okay, so COD and BOA are two triangles given here. So in that, so I am taking first triangle COD. In triangle COD, so given CD side is equals to OC. So what is given? CD side is equals to OC. Okay, so we have one property, these two are equal sides. Okay, the angles which are opposite to equal sides also equal. It means these two sides are equal. By this reason these two angles also equal. It means angle COD is equals to CDO. Okay, CDO. So angle COD is equals to CDO. It means angle O is equals to angle D. Here angle is at O, here angle is at D. Right. So right. So what is the angle COD ma here actually? So we have one property, in a triangle sum of three angles is 180 degrees. Okay, right. So by that property, angle O plus angle C plus angle D is equals to 180 degrees, and given angle C is equals to 2x degrees. Okay, substitute this in the above equation. So what becomes? Angle O plus angle 2x degrees plus angle D is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, right. So angle O plus angle D is equals to 180 degrees minus 2x degrees. Okay, right. So here angle COD is equals to angle CDO. It means nothing but angle O is equals to angle D, isn't it? So by that these two are equal. So I am writing here angle O plus angle O. So in place of angle D I am writing angle O. Okay, 180 degrees minus 2x degrees as it is. So this is 2O is equals to 180 degrees minus 2x degrees. Okay, right. So angle O is equals to 180 degrees minus 2x by 2. This 2 transposed to here. Okay, right. So I am going to erase this. So angle O is equals to, this becomes 180 degrees by 2 minus 2x degrees by 2. These 2 gets cancelled. 2 ones are 2 90s are. Now angle O, which is nothing but angle COD, is equals to 90 minus x degrees. Okay, this is the equation 2. Okay, so what is the equation 1? Angle O plus angle C plus angle D is equals to 180 degrees is the equation 1. I am writing here angle O plus angle C plus angle D is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, so angle COD we can write angle O also. Okay, right. Now I am taking the second triangle BOA. In triangle BOA, the side AB is equals to AO or OA. Okay, OA and AB sides are both equal. So by this reason, this angle B, angle O is also equal. That is, angle B is equals to angle O. So this is nothing but angle B means OBA or OBA. OBA is equals to BOA. Okay, BOA, angle BOA. So here it is B, angle B, and here it is angle O. It is okay, right. So what is the given angle B here? Nothing but 3x plus 10 degrees. So this is nothing but BOA. Okay, now angle BOA is equals to 3x plus 10 degrees. Consider it is equation 3. Okay, here this angle is nothing but 3x plus 10 degrees, and this one we got, here it is 90 minus x. Okay, 90 minus x we got here, right? So here these two angles, which means angle COD and angle BOA, are vertically opposite angles. So these two angles are vertically opposite angles. It means the two angles are equal. The vertically opposite angles are always equal here. Okay, right. So I am going to write that. So angle COD and angle BOA are vertically opposite angles. Okay, right. By that reason, therefore vertically opposite angles are equal. So that is angle COD is equals to angle BOA, since they are vertically opposite angles. I am writing once again here, right. So what is angle COD, ma? That is 90 minus x degrees. So 90 degrees minus x degrees, and angle this BOA nothing but 3x plus 10 degrees. Okay, right. Now this transpose to RHS side and this 10 transpose to LHS side. 90 degrees minus 10 degrees, and this goes to here 3x plus x degrees. Okay, now it becomes 80 degrees. This one becomes 4x degrees. So 4x is equals to 80 degrees. X is equals to 80 by 4. 4 is transposed to denominator of 8. 4 ones are 4 20s are. Now x is equals to 20 degrees we got here. Okay, so this is the row number 5. So finally we got x is equals to 20 degrees. Okay.